So hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In this video I'm going to discussing about the spin the wheel application. It is a genuine application because I saw some of the payment proofs online. So you have to simply spin the wheel so you can earn some free coins. Okay, you can see I have currently 0. Click on more spins. You need to watch one advertisement for every 2 or 3 spins, guys. Okay, you can see still in the advertisement. You can see I'm going to pause this. Just wait a second. Okay, there is, you can see I have successfully watched the ad. You can see I got 2 spins. Click on the OK, click on spin. You can see, click on it again, spinning. I got 10k. You can convert your free coins to, click on redeem points. You can see, enter the amount. The minimum is 50,000, so I don't have that coins. Okay, once you convert your points, you can just wait a second, guys. Okay, click on this three dot. Oh, sorry, damn man. Okay, you can see, click on the cash out section. You can see the minimum cash out is $5, so you can easily make, but it will take lots of time. You need to watch so many advertisements. Sometimes advertisements comes, sometimes ads not available, so keep in mind that. And I got this payment proof from another friend. His name is Robin. He got paid from this application, but I'm still testing this application, guys. Okay, uh, they have a referral section also, but is completely waste for referring friends. You can see, just wait a second, click on the invite section. If you invite your friend, you will earn 10 points, guys. That is definitely waste for inviting your friends. Okay, click on the cancel. Okay, I'm going to cancel it. Okay, you have to simply click on more spin. You have to watch the ad. You have to spin it again. The more ad you watch, the more you spin get. The more you spin get, the more your tokens get. After successfully getting the tokens, click on the redeem points. You can convert your tokens to, just wait a second, sometimes this happen. Oh gosh. Click on this. Okay, you can see redeem points. You can redeem your tokens to points. You can see I have already 68 points, that equal to 60 cents, guys. Okay, oh sorry, not 60 cents, it is a 6 cents. Okay, that's it for today, guys. If you want to check out this application, link is also available in the description, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any questions, ask me, guys. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.